can see on the top camera as well.
My wife, she used this phone for taking a few photos, put it in her pocket, and she
So Apple recently launched their new extraordinary device, the iPhone Air, but people have mixed feelings about it. In this video, we are going to take a look at the unboxing of iPhone Air, how you can transfer your data from an older iPhone to the iPhone Air, and we are going to take a look at the bend test. Let's get started. Let's unbox it. While this boots up, we'll see the accessories. We have the USB-C to C cable and some paperwork. That's about it in the box. Now, when you first pick up this phone, it feels incredibly light. It's only a 165 grams phone, and it's really super thin and super sleek. On the back it would look a white shade unless you are in a certain setting. On the side you can see a titanium gold finish. Now that it has booted up, let me get an older phone and we can transfer the data and the eSIM from my older phone, which is an iPhone 13 Pro, into the iPhone Air. The steps are simple. First select English, the country you are in. For quick setup, it needs you, so as soon as you unlock your older phone, it will say setup. Just scan the code.
This ultra lightweight iPhone starts at $999 with a 256 gigabytes base memory. You can upgrade to 512 GB for $1199 or a 1 TB version for $1399 US. It comes in 4 dashing colors: sky blue, light gold, cloud white, and space black.
Even with the anti-reflective coating that Apple has upgraded this year, you can still see a lot of reflection and glare on the screens, which Apple needs to take a careful look at in the upcoming models. Or fast forward this part.
While the transfer goes on, let's take a look at the design of this phone. It has a 6.5-inch Super Retina HDR display with 120Hz Pro Motion. On the right side, you will see the power button and the camera control button, while on the left side you have the action button and the volume rockers. At the bottom there is a charging port and two speaker grills. Backside of this phone has one 48 megapixel fusion camera.
You know what? We have some time till the transfer completes. So let's do the bend test in the meanwhile. So this is my phone. I'm going to do a bend on this. So I'm trying to bend it now. My take on bend strength of this phone is really nice. It won't bend until you really want to break it or bend. But in the general day-to-day use, I think there is no need to worry. It is not going to bend easily. So yeah, if this is in your back pocket and you sit down, I don't think this might break. So from a durability and bend test point of view, at least this is a good deal.
So I've been using this phone for a few days now, and this phone has really impressed me on what it can do. Apple has truly managed to embed a lot of technology in such a thin device. My wife, she used this phone for taking a few photos, put it in her pocket, and she really forgot that she had the phone. It's that lightweight. But this phone is not for everyone. While I was doing a 45 minutes data transfer from my older phone to the iPhone Air, the top part where the brain of this phone sits, it got really hot. Not warm, it got really hot. And that gave me a concern. If I was a user who uses a phone as a daily device for long term use, this might not be the right device for me because the battery will die down on you if you're using it continuously throughout the day. If you are a pro level person or a professional who uses your phone for your day to day work and job activities, definitely you should not go for this device. You should better go for a iPhone 17 Pro or a 17 Pro Max for a bigger battery. Now, who is this device for? I'll tell you honestly, the look and feel of this device is very premium. Even if you compare it side by side to an iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, this device will stand out. It will look more premium than that. So if you are someone who goes into fashion and who doesn't use high performance tasks throughout the day, definitely go for this device. It's a good deal for a $999 price tag. If you add $100 more, you get the iPhone 17 Pro, which has pro level cameras and a definitely bigger battery. But remember, if you are someone who doesn't need the pro level cameras and wants to save some money, then definitely go for the 17. It has a bigger battery than the iPhone Air, it has dual cameras, and now it has the 120 Hz refresh rate. So there really isn't a lot of trade off that you will do apart from the thinness of that phone. And the iPhone 17 is just 10 grams heavier than the iPhone Air. So choose wisely. That's it. If you like this video and the content of it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comments, and share it. I'll see you in the next one.